Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Technical Camp. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the new updates. So friends, in this video, we are going to see how to install the software Anaconda for the Python and the machine learning programming. So we will begin with the Google Chrome. Initially we will go to the Google Chrome and then we will search here Anaconda, and as soon as we will type there Anaconda, we will see here option Anaconda download. So go to that link, and the very first link which we will see here, that individual edition Anaconda, we will click on it. Then after that you can see here simply Anaconda individual edition for Windows. If you are using the Windows system in your laptop or computer, so just download from here. Otherwise just go to this get started option, and here you can see download Anaconda installer. Just click on it. Now you can see here you can see three operating systems names: Windows, Mac and Linux. Just the operating system which is present in your computer system, just download its format of the Python version. So I'm using Windows in my laptop, so I will download 64-bit graphical installer of size 477 MB. So my downloading will be started, but already I have downloaded this file, so I will cancel it and I will go to my downloaded place. And okay, so our Anaconda software is about to download, and so it will take little seconds, and after that it will be downloaded. So let's go to the download option because it has been downloaded. Now we'll see here that we can see here option of Anaconda software, which is downloaded file. Okay, so we can see here that option. So install this file, just double click on it. It will take little time, but after that we'll see option where our installing process will be started. Okay, it's working. I think it's taking a little more time. Okay, so we have seen here option and downloading process. I think installing process is started, so we have to choose here next. After that, this is the license agreement, so we have to read. No need of reading this, just a license agreement, and we have to do I agree. Now in case of institution or like that, if there will be a lot of computers will be connected at that time, all users will be selected, but right now I am using Lappy, so I will select just me and I will go next. This will show you the destination file, that where your Anaconda software will be installed. Just for my PC laptop, it will be saved in the C file, user HP and Anaconda 3. It's important thing here is that to save or to install this Anaconda software, it is necessary to have the 2.9 GB space in your C folder. But right now I have 43.6 GB, so it will be okay for me to install this software. Okay, so I will go next, and okay, I will going to install this software because the register Anaconda as by default Python 3.8. So I will go to install it. Now our software means this installing process will extract the every required file which will be required there. So we can see here the details. You can see that a lot of files and the libraries will be installed here right now. So it will take little time, and after that our software will be installed completely. So we'll wait for few minutes, and we will talk about advantages of this software. That is, nowadays it's time of the machine learning and the image processing and different programming language. Like nowadays one of the important programming languages is Python. So using this Anaconda software, there is one option that is Spider. Using that ID we can write different Python program here, and we can implement different things like image processing applications and different Jupyter programs we can do here, and for which this Anaconda will be more important. And that's why I will suggest you, if you have to do the Python programming, so install this Anaconda software because it will be more useful for you as it gives you so many features. So this is about to install, so we'll wait for little seconds, and we can simply see here that Jupyter, Conda and Anaconda, that we can see that, and notebook is also there. There are different options in this Anaconda. We will see once it will be installed that. There are a lot of facilities. Okay, you can see here spider, which just I have talked about it, that there is option to do the Python coding and image processing as well. So using this we can understand that using this Anaconda we can do different programming stuff and machine learning stuff. So okay, this is about to get installed. It will take a little bit time. Okay, so different files and have been extracting. You can see that. And remember, this is 64-bit Anaconda. That's why if you have Windows 10 or 11, I think it's suitable for Windows 9 as well. But check it before installing whether your PC supports 64 or not. Otherwise, you can go for the 32-bit, which we have seen on that website. I think it will take it 4 times to get Anaconda. Okay, it's installing, and different packages have been downloaded. So we'll wait. Okay, it's loading. If your laptop or computer system has RAM like 2 GB or 4 GB, so it will take a little more time. My laptop has 8 GB RAM, so it will be installed in little time. So let's wait for. Finally our Anaconda installation is over, and so we have to choose the option next, and we'll see here that it's showing working with Python and Jupyter Notebook is freeze with PyCharm Pro. So we'll go here the next. We'll see, and we'll see it end with the finish. Okay, now so we'll go to the Anaconda. Okay, so we are at the Anaconda search, this Windows search window. I will search Anaconda, and now we can see here the option. Okay, I will use backspace. Here is one Anaconda navigator, and here we can see the spider and Jupyter. So I will open with the spider, and then I will show you that how can we do different programmings of the Python and image processing using Anaconda and the spider. Okay, so finally our spider window is open here, and we'll begin with the start tour. And we can see here that here is the script window. Okay, so it's opening. Okay, we'll close it as we know it already. Okay, so we can see here a script window where we can do our Python programming, and whatever will be the results of the codes we can see it here. Okay, so this was about video. In this video we have seen how to install the Anaconda software, and there are different applications of the Anaconda in which we have just seen here spider 3.8 as well, and there are different more applications. But for the image processing and for just basic Python, we will see this spider for the programming. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, and once more I'm telling, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe for getting the new update. Thank you very much.